Hey guys, Aaron here with For the Love of Tech, and I'm always looking to find some cool new accessories for my phone. I was walking through the store and I came across this little gizmo and gadget, and my brain started exploding. I'm like, all of these ideas are coming to me. I felt like I had to have it. Here it is. Today we picked up two little phone accessories from Manfrotto. You're probably thinking to yourself, Manfrotto, don't they make camera accessories? And I'm here to tell you, you are absolutely right. But these accessories help turn your smartphone into the best possible camera for you. And we're gonna get it unboxed, we're gonna open it up, and we're gonna see how exactly it does that. As always, here is our dangerous little unboxing knife. Go ahead, make it a little easier for us to get in. Let's go ahead and start with this one. This is a Manfrotto Pixie mini tripod. So this is what our phone is going to go on top of, and it's going to go connected via this little guy here. This is the twist grip. Let's go ahead and jump into this first. Oof. All right, here we go. We got some instructions. Don't really need much instructions because this is the whole thing. Boom. So let's open this guy up. More little instructions. Imagine more. I'm not making this up. And here we go. Here is this little fella. Let's see, we unscrew it. This turns. This turns. And you lock in your phone. Obviously, we're going to use it to hold the phone. So I have my iPhone 10 right here, the one I like to use in the showcase with the most accessories. And it is designed to look at this. Look at this guy. So here we take our phone, we plop it in right here, we push it down, we twist it, we lock it in place. Your phone just turned into a little mini studio. You push it in. Boom. There's the magic we were looking for. Here it goes. This is the fun that we thought that we needed, and we got it. If you don't push it in, it doesn't move. It stays locked in the position it's in. So you can tilt it up, have a little bit more coming up towards your face like this. Boom. This is what it does. This is great if you're making a little vlog, if you're doing some daily talking, you and YouTube, you and your podcast. This little contraption is going to help you out. Personally, I bought this for a different reason. I bought this so I could connect my Osmo 2 gimbal to it to give it a little bit of height and a little bit more of stability on the table. I'm going to be using the Osmo going forward, but I needed something that was going to hold the gimbal in place. And I think this is it. Let's just talk about this. This is sturdy. This thing, this is a sturdy build. So this is $24.95. This is $50. So it's kind of like a $75 setup, an accessory. And if you're just getting into vlogging, if you're just getting into making movies for the internet or whatever it is, I think this is a must-have accessory. Just to give you guys a better idea of why I exactly bought this and what I'm going to do with it, is this is my gimbal. It tracks my face. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. This one's not set up yet. I just got it out of the box, but I wanted to show you that I'm going to use it in connection with the Manfrotto, and it's going to hold the gimbal up like this and give it some extra stability. This little accessory can step up your game. Is it worth $75? It's a little pricey for me. I'm gonna be honest. That's expensive. I bet you can find cheaper ones, either on the internet, probably even the same exact brand. Check out Amazon. I'll check it out, maybe throw a link in. If not, I'll link the devices to the Apple Store where I got it for you for easy picking. This is one of those devices that, you go anywhere, you take it with you. This is legit. You need this. I need this. I want you to have it. For the Love of Tech is always doing a giveaway. That's right, we are doing a giveaway, and it is coming up here in this upcoming October. Let me go ahead and get a Roman numerals 83,012 dash. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you like about the little Manfrotto guy. Can you use it? Can you not use it? What would you do with it if you had it? That's what I want to know. If you're looking to get additional entries into the upcoming October giveaway, go ahead and give me some social media shares. What is a social media share, Aaron? A social media share is when you take this video right here, share it on all of your social medias. Take screenshots and then send me the screenshots, one email, multiple screenshots, and I give you an additional entry for every screenshot. Send me the email to Aaron, A-R-O-N, at 4theloveoftech.com. And don't forget to go in your drawers, go behind your bed, go under your desk, go into that place in your house that no one likes to go because all the old dusty stuff is there. Look for some old electronics, dust them off, shine them up, charge them up, give them to someone and put a smile on someone's face. And for the love of tech, namaste.